Guys, guess what? You said
We took Florida.
we won Florida. Oh my God. We won Ohio. What was else? North Carolina. We're winning, bitches. Do you know that? No more negativity. We're winning. Trump is going to be the 45th
President.
of the United States of America. What did I say? What did I say, you guys? We had 2 bottles of wine, so sorry. We have the champagne ready because we're going to win America, okay? Trump is going to win. He just won Florida. Nobody predicted that. Everybody said, oh, Trump is not going to win. Yeah, he's winning, okay? He's winning. So, no more negativity. He's on the verge of
Presidency.
victory. Good night, friends.
Good night.
Bye.